I think that one is bigger. I'm looking for the biggest pomelo I could find. Because the cool thing about a pomelo is how big they are. So far, I think that one wins the prize. Yeah. So, oh my goodness. I do that one. That's my rally call when I get excited. Now I'm excited. Now I just got to get up there, get this pomelo out of here, bring down a monster. I'm going to go slay a monster up here. Look at this. Oh, this might not be the biggest one here, but it's the biggest one I could find after about 10 minutes of looking. Oh, am I going to be able to get it? Oh, boy. Oh, I got it. Oh, my goodness. That's a heavy fruit. Yeah. It's too bad it wasn't October because I could use this as a jack-o'-lantern. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. You guys know about pomelos? What do you know about pomelos? Let me tell you what I know about pomelos. Let's see. Maybe I can sit here and talk to you about pomelos with some pomelos in the backdrop and one on my head. So what I know about pomelos is they're hard to balance on your head. I'll just hold it on my shoulder. Pomelo, it's one of the original citrus species. What you might not know are grapefruits. They don't exist naturally. And oranges, they don't exist naturally, neither the sweet ones nor the sour ones. There's a whole bunch of citrus that just don't exist. Well, they're all man-made hybrids. Some of them are natural hybrids. They believe that the sweet orange is actually a natural hybrid between this one here, Citrus maxima, I think it's called, for maximum size, the largest citrus of them all, the pomelo. So this is, natural, this occurred in nature, believe it or not. So this is the sweet orange is a cross between this bad boy and I can go get one. Or should I go get one? No, I'll just stay here. You know what they are. They're mandarins, the little oranges, little mini oranges. Those are also natural, okay? So a lot of these citrus have been derived from those two species that are naturally occurring. And so basically like grapefruits are a hybrid between I believe the sweet orange and the pomelo. And the what else about these things? Well, the fun thing about the pomelo is just how big it is. And they actually have really sweet fruit on the inside. It makes a wonderful juice. I'm going to dig into this one here. So this one might be big, but this one here is more ripe. So I'm going to see if I can tear into this thing. Here, let's make a tripod. How's that work? Does that look good? You are in a crotch right now. A crotch of a tree. Just if you wanted to know. So here we go. Let's tear this thing up. It's got a big old giant rind on it. And we're going to see what's inside. I'm thirsty. So this is going to provide me some liquid sustenance here. Now at my house, we do lots of fun things with pomelo. I only have one pomelo tree. I don't know why you'd need more. But this person here, a friend of mine, has like 8. I guess he sells them or something. But anyway, he's not here right now. So he said just hang out until he gets here and eat some fruit. And so at my house, we do this fun game where it's called bowling for children. And we use pomelos. So when the kids were really little, I'd have them line up like bowling ball pins. And then we would go up to the top of the driveway, me and my buddies, when we were, and then of course their kids would be pins. And the kids were into this for a while, and eventually they got bored of it. But we had a lot of fun. And we would take these pomelos and we would roll them down the driveway. And it was kind of like bocce ball. And if you hit a kid, it was a certain amount of points. It was kind of a drinking game. So that might be kind of fun. Oh no! After all of that, this thing is dry and nasty. All right, let's go with the big one. Yeah, but the bowling for children was pretty fun back in the day. I thought that one would be really ripe and sweet inside. But no dice. And what else can I tell you about these? So, in Asian cuisine, they're used for all kinds of things. The rind is used. I know that 89% of this thing is water. So that's the whole idea right now, because I'm thirsty, but I might be using more water and getting into it. Man, it's going to give me. All right. I'm getting tired. I can see how thick the skin is, right? The rind. The rind. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to dig into this thing. So that's what a partially open pomelo looks like. You can see how big my head is versus the pomelo. And let's dig into it and see what's in here. This is really... All right, I'm just going to do it. You ready? Here we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay, this one's pink. See that? It's pink. Let's do a little taste test for pomelo. But these pomelos, I think the best thing about these pomelos are they're actually really good. So look, there's all these little nodules in there. Imagine this, you can pull them out individually. They're all full of juice. They explode in your mouth. And you could, if you really wanted to spend a lot of time, you just didn't know what to do with your time, you could pull these things out, separate them like that, and just sprinkle them in a salad. Everybody would be really impressed. You'd be really popular. You gotta be careful though, because if you squeeze them too tight, they burst. Still taste good, but they wouldn't look as good in the salad. But check it out, look at this. It's a lot of work. I'd rather buy a grapefruit. But if you just want to like have a freak of nature in your garden, you have room, you want to do funny things like create these little bits of citrus. This is actually really cool. Look at this. See that? Right there? That could go in your salad. That's really good. So, anyway, if you need a good drinking game, and you have a slope, maybe you don't even have a slope. You probably do it without a slope, but you know, get yourself a pomelo tree and have your buddies over. You need a bunch of little kids. Get a bunch of little kids and line them up, and like bowling ball pins. Do bowling for children. It's quite entertaining. Oh, do you see all the juice? Like, oh! I'm gonna eat this thing right now, off camera. I'll get one big bite on camera. Oh! All right. Done.